Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're carrying on with our English unit, expressing preference for a character. Today's lesson is lesson 8. Our learning intention for today is to describe characters using expanded noun groups. And our success criteria is to create a word wall for cinders, much like we did for Cinderella. Your resources that you will need for this lesson are pencil, rubber, some coloured pens for underlining our nouns and adjectives, a piece of paper for your picture, and some extra pieces of paper for your words that are going to go on your word wall. So in this lesson, we're looking at our character profile to make a more detailed description of cinders using noun groups. Take a moment with your learning buddy now to see if you can remember what noun groups are. Maybe refer to your learning wall. That's right, noun groups are created by adding our adjectives, which are describing words, before the noun, which is the thing we are referring to paint a more descriptive picture for the reader. For example, instead of saying phone, I could say this is an old red phone, which gives the listener or the reader more detail. What I'm going to ask you to do now is to create your picture of cinders. Here's one that I created earlier. I created this one by tracing a picture from the Cinders Rocks book, which I printed out. You might consider tracing the same, or you might consider a guided drawing option from YouTube. The next thing we're going to do is select our 3 nouns, and we're going to do the same ones that we did for Cinderella. So we're going to describe her hair, her shirt, and her boots. So my first noun group is straight, pointy hair. So I can see that Cinders has straight, pointy hair. My second noun I'm going to describe is her shirt. And I can see she's got a tight rocker shirt. And my last noun I'm going to do is her boots. And I'm going to say she has large leather boots. So you need to choose 3 nouns and choose to make an expanded noun group for each one of those nouns. You can feel free to choose the same as me, or you might like to choose something different. Once you do that, you're going to grab your coloured pens. I've chosen green and purple, and we're going to underline the nouns. So I can see the noun is the thing, so I'm going to underline all my things in green. And that is my hair here. That is my boots and my shirt. And then I'm going to underline my adjectives or my describing words in purple. So, tight rocker is describing my shirt, underlining in purple. Large leather is describing my boots, underlining in purple. And straight pointy is describing Cinder's hair. So, underlining in purple. Once we're finished that, you're ready to add to your learning wall. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow for the next lesson. Thank you, boys and girls.